Hi everybody, welcome back to Greg's Workshop. Got a small video today, about 15-20 minutes. That's how long it'll take me to talk about this. What I've done, I'll just turn you around and show you. Right. Done this, got it ready. This is dead flat. The base is fine. Right. That's what it's going to look like. And it's turned out right. Just the right height. Oh, hell. A bit of a ring to it. Oh hell, that's heavy. That nearly put me in orbit. It was too heavy for me. This is the chain. I'm going to bring the chain around here and put a flat piece on it and drill a hole and bore it into there and put these lag bolts in. So they're pretty long. And that way I can tighten it up. And when I'm finished, I won't lag it down because I want to finish taking the bark off. This thing stuck like glue. This was still green when it was cut. I'd say the tree was dying because this is dead timber. And this is heavy. This log is really heavy. It's heavier than this anvil. I can pick the anvil up. I can't pick that bloody log up. Yes, I've got a went to the doctor. I was lacking in vitamin B12 in my blood test. I've got to go to a podiatrist over my nerve damage in my feet. But I'm taking some B12 tablets now from underneath your tongue, one a day, and I feel 100% better. Muscles aren't aching. I'm not sore, thank bloody Christ. but it is bloody warm in here today. I don't know what the temperature is. My battery's gone flat in my temperature gauge. I've got to cut some pieces of this to run around. Don't know how much it's going to take, but I'll do the best. I'll bring them around and I'll make the bracket come along here and bolt into here somewhere. And the same on this side. And pull them down and they'll pull together. So, then we'll see how much of a ringtone it's got with just the chain on it. Oh, that's going to be awesome. That's going to be enough. I hope it comes up good, because the way I'm feeling, I said things aren't going. This is dirty, dusty work doing this. I said I can't wear a mask if I'm sitting here with the fan blowing the dust away, but the wind's blowing it back in here. I got it over everything, so when I'm finished I'll have to get the cleaner in there and clean it up. Let me get a pair of cutters. I need to cut that chain. Yep, that'll be enough to there. Cut this link here. Cut that one. And this one. Oh hell. I'm sorry about the fan, but it's really hot in here. Whatever the temperature is outside here in Australia, at the moment it should be about 35 probably. It's about 40 something in here, 42, that's Celsius. I've got, I've finally worked out where I'm going to get my burners from. I don't know how long it'll take them, but I'm looking forward to getting them so I can go back and do a bit more on the anvil, on the stand powder coating oven, because I can't go any further until I get the burners to put the brackets in, put the holes in, and that way I can do all the brackets to hold the burners in as I put the inside in. That way I can put the outside on at the same time. I've got to make sure there's no gas leaks. So I'll be hooking air up to them and running air through the things, through a filter. So I hope this works out alright. I'm trying to get it so I can make the pieces after I do this, the chain bit. Then I'll drill the holes, make sure it's going to sit there. I'm going to make the brackets up. There'll be a plate, something similar to this, not as big, weld it to the chain, and it'll come in here. And when I tighten it, it'll pull that chain down tight and hold it tight. So, anyhow, I've got to go. This is all I'm going to do today. I wish you all the best. Be safe. Give me the thumbs up and likes, and like everyone, I really appreciate the views on the last one. So I'll be working out on that to get a few more bit of comment. It's just been too hot for me. All right, everyone, I've got to go. I'll see you all later. Have a nice day. Bye.